This is Fixing Things. Hot tips for anybody, no matter how covered in blood you are. Today I'm going to show you 3 methods you can use to extend the reach of your router and the speed of your internet. Step 1. Plug your router directly into your computer. Right in there. Now that you have it connected, start by clicking your browser of choice and then log into your router. Once you've done that, you can download a mainframe, clear your cookies, flush your DNS, enter the matrix, hack a server, block your IP, empty the cache, edit a PDF, access a remote computer, refresh a raw file, take your child fishing, write a book on JavaScript, open source an object drive, brute force a backdoor, and mount up a rootkit. If that doesn't help, this next method might. For this next method of extending your router's reach, you're going to need one simple household item. Tinfoil. If your natural instincts tell you to wrap the entire router up and then make a tinfoil satellite, they're right. If the first 2 methods didn't work for you, this last one might be what you need. This method will involve opening up your router and exploring the inside. Most routers have screws here, 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 and here, which can be easily bypassed if you have a screwdriver. Once you have your router open, remember that you're technically renting it from your ISP. And bury it in the woods where nobody will ever find it! If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below. Because, otherwise I'll never know. Thanks for watching, everybody. Here are your comments of the week. And to answer this question, yes.